Quick knowledge, 2-man detail. EIC scan 180 degrees to the rear and PA number 1 scan 180 degrees to the front to give body cover to the principal 360 degrees. In bus, PA number 1 and EIC siya ang magbubukas ng pinto, pero bago magbukas ng pinto, scan to the rear at pagpasok ng VIP, body cover. Sa kabilang bahagi ng sasakyan, nandun din ang PA number 1 naka-body cover. Ang EIC at PA number 1 ay sabay na papasok sa sasakyan. Di bus, maunang lalabas ang PA number 1 at tatapatan niya ang pintuan ng sasakyan kung saan nandun ang VIP or principal. Provide body cover. Clear. Step 1, 2, 3. Scanning 180 degrees to the front. Pagbukas ng pintuan ng AIC, scanning. Bago buksan ang pintuan ng sasakyan na kung saan nandun ang VIP, another scanning. Pagbukas ng pintuan, body cover. Ramdaman ang lakad ng VIP or principal, mabilis man ito kung mabagal. Maintain arm reach distance. Again, VIP 1 scan 180 degrees to the front and EIC scan 180 degrees to the rear to give body cover to the principal 360 degrees. 2-man detail, also known as slash formation. For more details regarding personal security and protection course, protection agent or bodyguard training, please contact 0945-15-72003 and 0947-43-60032 or visit our office, Bosta Security Training Center, 33A Main Avenue, Barangay Socorro, Quezon City. Di kalidad na mga legit training instructor ang inyong makakasama upang hubugin, palawakin ang kaalaman pang seguridad. Sa Bosta, kaalaman mo ang una.